Hey everybody, it is Shield Maiden SA, and I know that I don't normally post this early in the week, but since my Jeffree Star mystery boxes came in, I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxings of these for you. Now, I was able to get two of the boxes in when I placed my order. I got the small box, or what is also known as the premium box, and the deluxe box. I did unfortunately miss out on the Supreme, but all said and done, I wasn't too disappointed in that. Don't get me wrong, there were some cool items in there, but there were also more items in there that I already had. And we've already discussed this. I don't mind getting duplicates. I'm actually thinking about maybe doing a my favorite things giveaway. So if you guys kind of think that's a good idea, shout out down below in the comments. And if this is your first time joining me, one of the things we do here, and we've been doing this a lot, is we do a lot of makeup videos, tutorials, and then I will, of course, go in and occasionally do the unboxings for, maybe some fun mystery boxes I get, especially Jeffree Star ones, because I love my Jeffree Star stuff. I really do. So, like I said, I wanted to make sure I brought this to you guys so that way, for those of you that are waiting, I know it's not the first spoiler video, or unboxing video, but maybe I got some things that you hadn't seen yet. So let's go ahead and get to it. We're going to go ahead and say, because, hey, good things come in small packages. Let's go ahead and start with the premium box. This box was, I believe, $60. And it's supposed to have 3 exclusive items. I did already just cut the tape because that makes it easier for me. Rather than you guys having to sit here and watch me fight with a bunch of scissors and, go from there. Because let's just face it, guys, there are other things you would rather watch me do than sit there and fight with scissors. So, without further ado, we will go ahead and start. Now, the first thing is this absolutely adorable beanie. I might go ahead and just put this on because I'm not having a really great hair night tonight. So we may just put this on for tonight because why not? It is a red beanie and it matches the hoodie and the t-shirt with this cute as a button little like patch here that says Jeffree Star, and they look like little candy hearts. See, I'm gonna put this on. Yay! Grimlock would die watching me like wear this with this much space on the top, but whatever. My video, not his. There we go. All right. Oh, nah. That's not helping with this bad hair day, but that's okay. I still think it's super dope and cute. So yeah, I'm totally gonna wear this a lot when it gets cold. Which, well, we're kind of in a cold spree here in Texas. It happens. So that is one of the exclusive items. The other one is the pink Jeffree Star Pop Socket. Now, unfortunately, my phone, I have a, and do I have, oh yeah, I do have it here. I have a hydrogen red phone, so unfortunately, my phone has a metal case. So pop sockets don't work really well for me, but if I ever got a case that I could put it on, I do kind of keep them in a little drawer. We actually had a family member of ours that was down visiting, and because the phone had gotten so big, she was really kind of struggling keeping a hold of her phone. So I got her a pop socket, gave her one of my orange ones from the Jawbreaker summer mystery boxes. So yeah, so I mean, I keep them around. The third exclusive item is the lip gloss, in the color Succulent. There we go. That way you guys can see it a little better. I did check. This is an exclusive item. This is an exclusive color. If you go to the website, I'm going to have to, of course, open it on the other end. There is not a color called Succulent. So this is an exclusive color. Oh, I love the fact that it's like this pink iridescent shift. Let's go ahead and swatch that and see what it looks like. I'm going to pull up my sleeves here a little bit because we may need a little bit of extra swatching space today. Yes. Oh, it smells like hot cocoa. I love it. I love it. And let's just see the back of my hand here if you guys can kind of see that. Let me put the lid on and then we'll really kind of dig into that a little bit more. So there we go. Let me add just a little bit of a shadow over that. There we go. Now you guys can kind of see, like, it's this really nice shimmery iridescent color shifting pink gloss shade. And oh yeah, I'm living for this. I love it. And it smells like cocoa. Yay! Now, here is, oh wait, I think, do I have another item in this? Do I have another? No, okay, that's all I have in this one. Okay. And then this, of course, is the big one that everyone's talking about. The Alien palette. Now, when I first heard about the Alien palette was what first got me kind of looking into Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Because I was like, wow, that's really kind of a cool concept. But unfortunately, at that point, the palette was sold out. And every time I was ready to order the Alien palette, it was sold out everywhere I looked. So then when he announced that, yeah, I'm going to be discontinuing this, I tried to order it again. And everywhere once again was out. And I was very upset. But then, guess what? It shows up in my box. So I was happy with that. And I like this. It's fun. It's creative. And that's what I really love about a lot of his palette designs is they're creative. And like, look at these colors. These are a lot of really fun colors and a lot of really fun, like, stamps in those press powders. Yeah, that's right, folks. I still do this from a computer. I use my laptop. I like my laptop. Gives me a bigger screen to see you all with. But yeah, so I am super excited about this. Oh, I can't wait to try this out. I don't know when I'm going to try it out, but I'm going to try it out soon. Very, very soon. So for now, we're just going to put this back in its box. Yeah. I'm happy. I mean, I know I'm not like jumping and screaming, but I'm like, I'm kind of like a little kid that like gets that little like secret, like that like grandma snuck the extra cookie dough to. I'm like, all right. So like we said, we had the Alien palette. We had our gloss. We have our pop socket. And we have our beanie. And that is everything that was in the premium box. I don't remember what the value on this was supposed to be, but I definitely feel it's worth it. Because the Alien palette itself would have been approximately $60. The gloss is $18. Beanie, say you're paying $20 for a beanie and $10 for a pop socket. So the palette alone is worth the value I paid for the box. Everything else from there is just bonus in my mind. So I'm going to go ahead and close this one back up. And we're going to go and we're going to play in our premium box. Deluxe box. Sorry. I usually just call them small, medium, large because I can't remember which ones, like what the names actually are. Like I said, it's just easier for me to hold the box over here. That way it's not like all up in here. So I'm going to open the box. And of course, this is, I know a lot of people have complained about the hat. I think it's cool. I didn't have a Jeffree Star hat. Did you have a Jeffree Star hat? Maybe if you had a hat, maybe that's why you're upset. I'm like, you know, we got to take care of our skin. One of the ways you do that is keeping your face out of the sun. And how do you do that easily? With a hat. So, hey, this is Jeffree looking out for all of us to make sure that we, have hats to wear and keep the sun out of our face. It is adjustable in the back, so I'm just going to adjust it to fit me. Let me see here. Let me take it in just a little bit. Oh, that might be too much. There we go. We'll try there. Let's see here. Let's see how that works. Oh yeah, that would definitely stay on my head. So there's the hat. I think it's super cute. I'm sure I will be wearing this as it warms up. And as I get to doing more outdoor activities in the good weather. Because we are really fortunate here in Texas. Even though we complain about it being really hot in the summer, like most of the year, we get really nice weather. And so that's nice. You can spend a lot of time outdoors with that. The next item, I'm going to play with the other stuff. I'm going to play with the stuff that I like. Another gloss. So I'm slowly building my Jeffree Star gloss collection in shade Candy Drip. This looks like kind of a nice, like almost a rose gold color. So let me take a look. I forget these are up here. So I know it's a color I don't have, so that's why I'm not too worried about ripping through the color, because it's a color I don't have, so I'm going to keep it. Ooh, so this is like another nice, it's a pinky shade, which it's Valentine's Day. I don't hate on that. And we'll just put this on the other side of my hand. So not quite as iridescent. It's more of like a Barbie color, which is totally cool. Let me go ahead and cover that just a little bit so you can see it is a little bit more pink, where this one over here is a little bit more, oh, I might have blended in too much, a little more iridescent, a little more shimmery. This is a little more of a solid pink gloss. So I'm cool with that. Now let's get into the liquid lip in the Valentine's Mystery shade. That's just what I'm going to start calling them. Is this just going to be like mystery shade for whichever box I got out of? So eventually I'm going to be really confused about which ones I got. I'm going to be like, yeah, it's mystery shade from some year. Oh, that is beautiful. So if anybody says they don't like this color, you can give me yours. I'm just going to be real straight up about that. Oh yeah, I love this. This is like a soft, like burgundy, like I look at this color on and I'm just like, it is like a burgundy velvet almost. Like you almost get this just really rich with the color shades. Oh, yes. Now, this is the one I know a lot of people were upset about. I'm pretty sure this is the mini breaker palette in the green paper. Let me just take a look. Yeah, it is. It's a mini breaker. And like I said, I'm not mad about that. I like the mini breaker palette. Do I need 2 of them? Probably not. But guess what? I probably know some people that might like this. Or, like I said, I may do a My Favorite Things giveaway. And because this palette is really versatile, it may end up in a giveaway on the channel. Like I said, it's all going to depend upon your guys' comments below. By the way, if this is the first time you are joining my channel, if you like makeup, if you like cosplay, if you like, you know, learning how to craft and sew, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you're going to be notified every single time I have a new video up. And so that way you can check out and see what I've got going on. This one, I was actually kind of excited about it. Now, mind you, I've talked about this a little bit before. I'm a cosplayer, so there's no such thing as a color or shade I can't use. If I don't have something already that I will use it for, I will find something to use it for. I'd already kind of in my head when I started seeing the 24 karat gold highlight palette, started kind of figuring what can I use those colors for. Because they were really, I'm pale the house, folks. Like, let's just be really honest. I lack pigment. We can put whiteout on me and the whiteout is probably still a shade darker. So having a palette that's designed for someone with darker, richer skin tones, I was a little bit like, but I was like, you know what? On the other hand, you know what? I can always use it for bronzer, use it for eyeshadow. I may have a character where I'm in full face that I'm going to need some of those colors for. So, you know what? I'm not going to gripe. I'm not going to complain because I can find a use for it. But when I saw the silver paper, I was like, oh, wait, maybe it's a different one. And it is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Platinum Ice highlighter palette. This is a 6-pan, I believe, or is it an 8-pan? Let me look. I could probably do this without opening it, but I want to see. So see right here, looks really nice and pretty, a little shimmery. Very kind of reminiscent to the Brain Freeze palette where it had the stripes, but it still had that like iridescent fun foil. Yep, I was right. It's 6. And it has Ice Cold, Glacier, Lavender Snow, Canary Bling, Pink Chill, and Alien Ice. I think I have Lavender Snow. Is my other one that I just... Let me see. Is this Ice Cold? I think I might have a full thing of Ice Cold. I do. I do have a full Skin Frost of Ice Cold. But whatever. You know, I'm totally cool with this. Like, you know... So I've got it in a palette, and I've got it in its own Skin Frost. So, hey, I think that's kind of cool. The Lavender Snow, I'm curious about it. Let me look. Oh yeah, I like that. I think I'm going to get a lot of really good use out of these shades, to be completely honest. Even Alien Ice, it looks a little green, but I mean, y'all, I purchased Candy Apple Drip. So me and a green highlight, I can live for a green highlight. So yay. Now we have the shirt, and mine's in an extra large. So like I said, I know there's been some speculation that some of the contents in your mystery box are based upon the shirt size you get. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I don't know. So I got mine in an extra large, and it has the Jeffree Star logo in the candy heart on the front. And then of course it matches the sweatshirt, and you guys want to see this, not my face, on the back. So like I said, I think it's cute. I live somewhere that's really warm. So as much as I love my Jeffree Star hoodie from my Thanksgiving box, I might get more wear out of a t-shirt. So like I said, I'm not mad. I actually think it's kind of cool that, hey, no one else can get a t-shirt for that. So everybody else, when it's summertime, they can't rock their Jeffree Star like hearts, but I can. I have a pack of the black straws. So I think that's kind of cool. Living in Texas, we aren't, I don't want to say we're not eco-conscious. We are. But like the big thing with like the disposable straws isn't like a big thing here yet. But drinking at home, like if I have cups that have straw holes for them, and the plastic cheapy straws they give you for those just don't clean as well, and they don't hold up as well. So I'm kind of excited to have some more of these. And of course it has the cleaning brush in there too. So now this is the one I'm kind of excited about. In the box, I get a mirror. Now, based on the color of my sticker here, I think it's going to be the orange chrome. So I might have to fight FT Grimlock off with a bat to keep his hands off my mirror. FT Grimlock, he loves orange. It is his favorite color. And so he likes all kinds of things orange. He even has the orange Jeffree Star tracksuit that came out with the Jawbreaker palette. So let me see if my sticker, if sticker don't let me down. Yes, it is the chrome orange mirror. So yeah, I'm definitely kind of digging on this. Like, I feel like I definitely got my money's worth out of these boxes. And for the few things that I got that I already had, or had something similar to, like I said, like the Platinum Ice palette that has a couple shades that I already have in the Skin Frost, that's okay. I mean, because what that means is as a cosplayer, if I need to travel, guess what? Rather than having to find a way to pack two of these, I can just pack the one palette, which may give me some other colors that I may end up using anyway. So yeah, I mean, I'm always, I always order these boxes. It's a mystery. I know that I could possibly find, or get a duplicate item, but hey, those are the risks you take when you're ordering a mystery box. So I'm always going to continue to order them. I'm really super excited about the Bloodlust announcement that happened earlier today. So yeah, I'm super excited for that. Can't wait for the video tomorrow on Jeffree Star's website. On Jeffree Star's YouTube. So yeah. So hey, let me know what you guys thought about the box. And like I said, comment down below. Would you guys be interested in a Shield Maiden's favorite thing giveaway? I will read the comments. I will check those out. If you want to see a favorite things giveaway, we can get that done. And I will start seeing some of my favorite things that you guys have heard me talk about and get them into that giveaway and figure out when we can get that going. So guys, for now, this is going to be Shield Maiden signing out. As always, fly those geek flags high. Till next time.